Hi everybody, welcome back to my class. In our previous classes, we have already done doing words. Right children? I hope that you all have understood what are doing words. Now children, let us do an exercise on doing words. So children, let us begin. At the top corner, write today's date 10.11.2020. Now children, let us read the heading and try to understand the instruction. Choose the doing words from the cloud and write them in the water drops. Means what we have to do? Here we can see a big cloud. From here we have to choose the word. Which word? We have to choose the doing words. Here we can see so many words. Right children? From here we have to choose the doing words. And then we have to write those doing words in these water drops. I hope that you have understood. So let us start doing it. What it's written? Let us see the first word. It's written L-A-M-P, lamp. Now children, tell me, lamp is a doing word? Yes or no? No, lamp is not a doing word. It's a name of a thing, right? So lamp is not a doing word. Now let's move to the next. T-E-A-C-H, teach. Now children, teach is a doing word. Just think about it. Yes, you are absolutely right. Teach is a doing word. So what we shall do? We will put a tick mark over here and we will write here teach. T-E-A-C-H. Teach. See, we have written this word in the water drop. Okay. Now let us move to the next word. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Now children, tell me, shark is a doing word? Think. No, shark is not a doing word. Shark is a name of an aquatic animal. It lives in a sea, right children? So shark is not a doing word. Now let us move to the next word. T-R-I, try, A-N-G-L-E, angle, triangle. Now children, tell me, triangle is a doing word? Yes or no? No, triangle is not a doing word. It's a name of a shape, right? Okay children, next one. L-I-K-E, like. Now tell me, like is a doing word? Think. Yes, you are absolutely right. Like is a doing word. So we will put a tick mark on like and we will write here in the water drop, we will write L-I-K-E, like. Next one, S-H-I-N-E, shine. Now children, tell me, shine is a doing word or not? Yes, you are absolutely right. Shine is a doing word. So, where should we write it? Yes, we will write it here. Before that, let us put a tick mark. And here we will write S-H-I-N-E, shine. Next, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Now children, tell me, mobile is a doing word? Think. No, mobile is not a doing word, right children? So it's not a doing word. Next one, H-E-A-R, here. Now tell me, here is a doing word? Yes, you are absolutely right. Here is a doing word. with our ears, we hear. So children, we hear with our ears, right? So hear is a doing word. So where shall we write it? Yes, we will write it here. H-E-A-R. Here. So children, I have done this 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 words for you. Here you can see there are 4 more water drops. What you have to do? You have to read the next words. From there, you have to choose the doing words. What will you do? From there, you have to, from this cloud, you have to choose the doing words. And you will put a tick mark and you will write those doing words in these water drops. Okay children, so I have done these 4 water drops for you, and these last 4 water drops you have to do it by yourself by writing the doing words over there. From where you will take the doing words? Yes, from the clouds you will choose the doing words. Okay children, so I hope that you have understood and you can do it by yourself. So bye bye everybody and have a nice day.